Let's learn about the math module. And this is a very handy module with some functions that we can use to get into advanced math as well as some more basic math, but will save us some time and help make math problems easier. It also provides some constants such as the value of pi, value of e. We can use it to return the square root of a number. The smallest integer, so a whole number greater than or equal to x. If we use the ceiling function, the floor function returns the largest integer less than or equal to x. So as if we're rounding down, or ceiling for rounding up. Sine, cosine, tangent, log. So lots of other methods in the math module, but wanted to make sure you're aware of this and show you a few of its use cases. So if we import math here, this was an example that we had. Let's print area. If we're doing math.pi times the square root of 25, that gives us a nice value there. We could print math.pi. Oops, not that pi. 3.14, where we get that many digits there. Or math.e. We can, we just used square root. If we have a value, let's just say value equals 99.99. What is ceiling of value? Math.ceiling. 100, so we're rounding up. If we do floor, 99, rounding down. What's the sign of math dot? Let's print sign math dot sign of 90. Let's see what that gives us. 0.89. So lots of methods here, lots of functions. Math dot. We can see all these methods. So many. Exponents, factorial, log, radians. So a lot of good stuff there. Wanted to make sure you're aware of the math module if you need to do math, but just another useful built-in module in Python.